So today's our question is 3848 check digitorial permutation LeetCode contest 490. So what question state is you are given an integer and the number is digitorial if the sum of factorial of its digital is equal to the number itself. Determine whether any permutation of n including the original order forms a digitorial number. Return true if permutation exists, otherwise return false. So we are given few things here in the notes, like factorial of non-negative integer x denoted as x naught, that is a product of integers from n to 1, and permutation is a rearrangement of digits of number that does not start with 0. So any number of arrangement with 0 is invalid. So we are having few things over here. So what we are going to do is first like it's type of counting question again. See, we are having a frequency of array, first frequency, which is 0 to n. Say if we are having any number, so its digit will be from 0 to n 9. So we have taken an integer of 10. Same for some frequency. So for a frequency we are using like we are having an n, so we will store here frequency of each digit in this array, like of 1, that is 1, then frequency of 4 is equal to 1, and frequency of 5 is equal to 1. So it helps us in remembering whatever digits are there, so we can rearrange it. We don't need to rearrange the question, rearrange the number. We just need to see whether all digits of some frequency, sum of factorials matches the number. That's it. So what we are going to do is second thing is we are going to count the factorial sum, like count factorial sum. So how we are going to count? See, I am going to give a hint, like we can pre-store all the sum, all the factorials of numbers from 1 to n, 0 to n. Like we are having a factorial array, we are having the factorials of 0 to n, factorials of 0 to 9, n means 9, sorry. So because any number or any digit will not exceed 9, so we want just a factorial of 9. And if a number comes again and again, like we are having, suppose n is equal to 1 4 4 5 4 5 1, so we are not going to calculate again and again, like for 1 then 4 then again 4 then again 5 then again 4 then 5 then 1. It makes our computation more difficult and complex, so we are just going to make a factorial array which holds our factorials count or factorials of each number. That's it. Then next step is we are again going to see the numbers, like we will now keep the frequency of array, like here we are having 145, so we are going to store the frequency of each digit in sum. So that loop again we are going to pursue, like for 1 sum fric 1 is equal to 1, sum fric of 4 is equal to 1, and sum fric of 5 is equal to 1. So that's it. So this is how we are going to store the frequencies of array. And last we are going to check, like both of the arrays are same or not. both arrays, check arrays, fric is equal to sum fric. If both are equal, return true. If both are not, return false. Now again, let's revise it. First, we will have a frequency of digit of original number. Second, we will have frequency of digit of sum of factorial of each digit of original number. Okay, and what is the third case? What is the third case? Just check check if both arrays are equal. That's it. The question is done in 3 steps. Frequency of each digit of original number, then frequency of digits of sum of factorials of each digit of original number, and check if both arrays are equal. That's it. Now let's go towards the code. See, so we are having two like frequency, that is frequency of sum and frequency of original number, that is first is for original, second is for sum. Then we are having a sum, like what is the sum of factorials, and as I told you that we are going to factorial and we are going to store a static array where we are having factorials of each number from 0 to n, which we are calculating over here. We are just taking 0 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1, and then so on, as it is computation is, and then we are returning that. Now we are taking out each digit from the n original number, and then we are just counting its frequency, and we are just summing its factorial, and then we are just dividing it, so that we will get each digit, and up till the sum n becomes 0. Now we have sum. After this array, we are going to have frequency of original number, and second thing, sum of factorials. Okay, then here we are going to have num of each sum. Then we are going to again add the integer number of frequency of each digit, and then dividing it, so that we are getting all digits at a time. And then at last we are just comparing. If both are equal, we will return it. If both are not equal, we will return false. Equal, true; not equal, false. That's it. So this is the code for today's question. Thanks for watching it. If you like the video, share and subscribe. If any doubts or any improvement needed in teaching, let me know in comments. Thank you very much.